Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to talk about the AA ignition replacement HID ballast that fits a variety of BMW models, including the 328i, 335i, M3, 645, 650, M6, X3, X5, as well as the Cadillac DTS. You can check the description below for all the vehicles this HID ballast fits. So when you get the HID ballast and open the box, you're going to notice it comes in a anti-static bag. This is to prevent any sort of damage while in shipping. And once we get this out of the bag, you're going to notice that there's 4 mounting holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 connectors. So to remove the factory ballast, what you'll go ahead and do is you'll remove these 4 screws that hold this on the bottom of your headlight, or the side of the headlight, depending on the vehicle you have, and then this will pull off. What you'll want to do is then hook this into your factory harnesses here. There's 2 different harnesses that plug into here. One is going to go to the vehicle, the other one is going to go to the HID igniter. And then you'll reinstall this the same way you remove the factory one. You'll go ahead, put it back into place, and secure it with the 4 screws. And it's as simple as that. It's a simple, quick, easy installation, and it'll save you a good amount of money compared to buying a ballast from the dealership.